Friday, August 18, 2023. Right? Let me see. Yes. Okay. Engine out. Okay. Now, let's open the oil pan to see what's hiding inside. I hope to find some pieces, some shrapnel inside, so we don't have to worry about the pieces to be in the engine. Last time we opened the small oil pan, the lower one. Now we're gonna open the upper one. I hope it's gonna be there inside, so cleaning it up, putting it back together, resealing it, and proceed with the repair. Now, need to come out also the damper pulley, because also the seal has some bolts down here, the front seal. And the reason why I didn't open the oil pan while it was in the car, it's this crankshaft rear seal, because there are two 30 Torx bolts there that have an access at these two bolts here. You need to remove the transmission, you want to remove the flex plate, so it's there. And also the crankshaft rear seal need to come out, and it is a little bit wet. At least, well, we're gonna put a new one. Yeah, it is a little bit wet. Alright, not bad. We're gonna change it. It doesn't take time, right? Instead of putting the old one, we're gonna put a new one. The same thing also with the front one. The front one, it's very thin, and by priming it out, by removing it, you're destroying it. Yep. Let's see how we're gonna end up. Till now, the engine, it didn't flip upside down, and it's never gonna happen until we see what has the oil pan inside. Until I see what has the oil pan inside. Yeah. Let's start working on it. Let's dress the floor down. We're gonna put a mattress there, you know, to work on it. Also, the front seal, it looks kind of wet at this point. At least I'm not gonna feel bad that I'm gonna waste two healthy seals. Something's that, right? Since it's still wet, since it's wet, that means it's a good chance to replace it. Let's move on. The rear one, I already took it out. That's the rear seal, the damper pulley bolt, and the small bolts, the 30 Torx for the front crankshaft rear, front seal. Yeah. Oil pan out. Nothing inside. It looks good. It's difficult to have something here because of this plastic frame that has the oil pickup tube on it. And this is not like the M177. It's coming like a sandwich at this point. So I need to open it to see if there is anything there inside. It's supposed to be okay. It's supposed to be also this clean. Just to play safe and to see that it didn't digest anything, the pump inside, that the screen is nice and clean and does have any pieces there inside. Now, to do that, I need to tilt the engine at 45 degrees, not upside down, just at 45 degrees to have some access there. I don't want to break the plastic. And to do that, I need the help. But there are only the welders here. I'm not trusting the welders to help me out with the engine stand, with the engine, so I have to wait the guys to arrive. They will gonna arrive within an hour, I guess. Yeah. Meanwhile, I'm going to continue with M156. So, yeah, standing by. Alright, the frame with the oil pickup tube out. I see some pieces there inside. I don't see anything there up, here up. There was nothing. There was not any piece. I didn't see any mark anywhere. It looks okay. Either inside the oil pump. I already removed before the oil pump, just put it now on. Nothing, we are continuing. we're moving on. I'm gonna clean the oil pickup tube to don't have nothing on it, and yeah, cover this so don't fall anything inside, and moving on. You know what's my problem? My problem is that I don't know where they went the pieces, because Omar, he told me that there was not pieces inside of the filter, right? Yeah. Did they came out with the oil when they drained the oil, the guys, the first time? When you drained the oil, I wasn't here, right? It might went away with the oil. Yeah, otherwise, if it passed through the pump, we're gonna destroy the pump. It's a stainless steel. That's the story now. Where are these stupid pieces? Where they went? Sorry. In any case, what are you gonna do? Nothing. You're gonna close it. That's what I'm gonna do. New rollers up, setting up the timing, and closing it back. It was, after all, it was running fine. It didn't have any problem. It was performing fine, other than the ticking sound. And clean very well the oil pickup tube, like I said. Yep, that's the story. Next video, when I'm gonna receive the parts. When I'm gonna receive all the parts, I'm gonna start closing, not before. And I haven't opened the bank 2 yet. I have opened only the bank 1. The guys, they put again the cover on, so don't fall anything inside. They put also the cover here front, and back we cover it, don't fall something in. This one not yet. Let's get the parts first. Alright, okay, that's it. Small update. After that, when we're gonna clean this area, we're gonna flip the engine, we're gonna turn it this way to clean this area, and then we're gonna insulate all these things so don't come dust inside. Alright, that's it.